Batuk loved playing and often avoided studying. One day, he noticed his friends learning new things and moving ahead. Batuk realized that without studying, dreams remain incomplete. He decided to study a little every day. Sometimes he learned from books, sometimes by asking questions. Slowly, he started enjoying learning. After playing, he made time to study with focus. When he scored good marks in exams, his confidence grew. Batuk understood that education is the key to knowledge and a bright future. Moral: studying helps us grow, succeed, and believe in ourselves.